Hey, TJ Rose with MarineMax here. Today we're on board the Scout 320 LXF. I want to take you through a quick walkthrough of this beautiful boat. You can't see the hull color in the video, but you certainly can in the pictures. This boat is a Rascal Blue hull. It's got the full color hull on it. It's got nice painted white motors to it with matching logos, so it's got a really nice clean look out on the water. A couple of great features on board this boat. So you've got the tackle station back here with your live well. You've got drawers to store all of your equipment for fishing, rod holders, of course. This has the rocket launchers up here. Boat has radar on it, so really nice features whether you're fishing or cruising on the boat. As we go forward, you've got, of course, kind of one of Scout's signature helm designs here. This boat has the Barisa Heritage package on it, so really nice, comfortable, material. If you're out in the sun, it doesn't get very hot. It breathes very easily. We've got two Garmin screens here. These are the XSV models. They've got a built-in depth sounder with it. Of course, they'll connect to the radar. I've got a bow thruster on this particular boat, which is a great feature. We also have autopilot, VHF radio, and this has the C-Star hydraulic steering system on it, the Optimus steering, which is great. You can add a joystick to this boat very easily, and it is also very easy to maneuver around the dock. As we move forward here, it's just got a great head compartment. So you've got the head down there, got the sink, and moving forward to the bow, a great seat. This has the, really just a nice layout. You've got a optional grill that can go there. You've got the sink right here with the cutting board. Again, more storage under these seats, and then these backrests also come up. So if you ride in the bow when you're out running, just a great place to sit. So again, 2017 Scout 320 LXF. It's a little bit cold here in February, but we wanted to show you this boat so you can come by it and be ready for springtime. Thanks.